Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to this Wilktop solar light. Oh, and it's possible to use a 2-piece version or 4-piece version too. And it's not only a nice light, it is more. It is a garden torch pack of, in my case, 4 solar garden lights. These solar lamps with IP65 waterproof level are really awesome in your garden, for example. It comes not only an LED beam out of it, no. It's like a burning fire. A flame is illuminating with the USB with the LED technology. There are 96 LED built in, and on top there's a light sensor that makes it so the torch will switch on automatically while the surrounding is too dark. And if there is a dawn, for example, the light comes back, it will immediately switch to an off position. And this all without power supply. The power supply which these garden torches will use is the sun. The sun is for free, and the sun is over our heads. So it's really awesome. You can use these garden torches where you like because they do not need any cable, wire, or battery pack. It's Energy Light is a new product for converting solar energy and generating electricity. The light uses high efficient solar panels. It converts the solar energy into electrical energy and stores it in a battery inside. The solar panel has a light-sensitive control switch. At night, the flame lights turn on automatically. After dawn, the flame lamp automatically switches off, and, of course, it switches to charging mode. And that means it is easygoing as itself. You do not have to go to it and switch it on and switch it off all day long. The solar panels of these garden lights has a light-sensitive control switch, which can automatically turn the light on and off depending on the ambient light. We have 3 light modes: always on, flashing, and low light mode. For example, we press the first time to flash, the press the second time to switch from the dimmed to always on. The third press, the light is firmly switched on without flickering. You can choose, but I am going to choose the first option, of course. It is made out of ABS and PS materials, and it comes with a waterproof rating of IP65. This high-quality solar light is not afraid of sun and rain. It can withstand different weather conditions, suited for lighting and decoration our gardens, far away corridors. Classic and an elegant design, bright and a warm light. This solar garden lights is a good choice for our garden lighting. The dark garden decoration, it's really easy to install, and it's so monster easy to use because it's automatic charging during the day, automatic opening at night. The LED solar garden lights here. Classic and a nice design, bright and warm. This is a good choice for not only our garden. You can attach this because there are additional parts in the box. You can attach this to your wall, for example, our house wall, so you can decorate where you like. ABS and PS material makes the water resistant, and The solar garden lights comes with a built-in high-efficiency solar panels, 2,200 milliampere hour, 3.7 voltage lithium-ion battery, which can work continuously for 8 up to 10 hours after just 6 hours of charging. And automatic on and off, that's awesome. Solar is the best choice for your pocket and for the nature too. This is the awesome Wilktop solar light. These are garden torches pack of 4. You can also buy it with 2, for example. It's a solar garden light set, solar lamp with IP65 waterproof, and it comes with a flame option. And this looks really awesome and beautiful because of the 96 LED lights built in. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.